This video will cover the installation and setup for the Vertiv RM1048 Rack Manager. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your RM1048 up and running. Before we begin, ensure you have the following: a stable power connection, network access with DHCP, access to the management console, and a PC with terminal software. Using a serial connection, open a terminal session with the following settings: baud rate 115/200, 8 data bits, no parity, and 1 stop bit. Once your RM1048 is racked and powered, access the serial console and log in for the first time. Once the session is opened, log in with the default credentials. The username is admin, and the password is admin. Once the password is entered, you'll be prompted to create a new password on first login. Once you've set your password and successfully logged in, you'll be able to view the root menu for the RM1048. Let's configure the network settings. Navigate to Show/Configure Network Settings. From there, enter the option to configure VRF App0. This will allow web UI access. Now go back and select the option to configure VPP0 for KVM sessions. Once you access these options, a DHCP address will be assigned. From here, you can choose to keep this address or set a static IP address. Once the addresses are assigned, you'll be able to access the web interface. Open your preferred browser and enter the IP address assigned to VRF App0. Log in using your updated credentials. From here, you can manage ports, update firmware, and configure user access. If you cannot log into the web page, the time settings may be incorrect. Please ensure you are on a network with a reachable NTP server. If you are on a network with an unreachable NTP server, update the time settings as follows. From the CLI, enter 4 to select the Show/Configure Manager option. Then enter 3 to turn NTP off. From there, select the option to change the date and time and enter the new date and time in UTC format. Once the date and time settings have been updated, refresh your browser and you should be able to access and log into the web page.